Channel on the internet.
And here we go with the show, and we're launching off the Island Hopper. And today we're doing a Miami weekend, and we're taking you on a free tour of the city. So grab your snacks, sit back, get comfortable and relax. And today we're running on a short cruise, just me and the wife, taking you guys along for the ride. So sit back and enjoy, because today we're doing something I haven't done in a long time, and that is taking the long way to the sandbar. And even although today we arrived a little late to the marina, we still found a spot and got ourselves in. And if this is your first time watching our video or visiting the channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok for daily activities and local events happening in South Florida. And I have a question for you guys. Let me know if you guys are watching us during lunchtime or dinner time, because so far most of the viewers we have met, they tell us that they watch us while they eat. And I'm just curious, is it lunch or dinner? You can leave your answer on the comments.
And we're back in the water, baby, all day, every day. If I wish, every day, every week, every year. So today we're going off of 79th Street, Miami, baby. We're gonna take you guys on a mission, hopefully today. We'll see how the weather treats us, because we have scattered clouds. So we're gonna go from 79th Street all the way down to Elliot Key. We're gonna take the long way there. You know, just a little bit of sightseeing and admiring the skyline in Miami. So I'm gonna go and show, baby. The bay is completely flat. So it's gonna be an easy ride, baby. No hopping. Are you ready for today?
I am.
Oh, we got the Black Panther in the house today. We got a black cat.
I was supposed to get dressed as a what?
As a what?
What one? Leopardo.
Oh, okay.
I mean, that's the theme today, but I guess they're not, they'll let me borrow a top because I didn't have any.
So we're riding. We're riding, baby. Look at it, right there is beautiful downtown Miami that we're gonna ride by. Has been a while since I've ridden downtown Miami, baby. Yeah, look at that. The bay is completely flat. It's gonna be an easy ride. Easy ride. All right, so we're gonna look at the time. Right now it is 10:15. We're gonna see how long it takes us to get down to Elliot Key. Right now we're going through idle, because around these parks is idle. So we got almost 3/4, so we should be good, because from Grandin Park to Elliot Key is about 17 to 18 miles. Now from 79 to Grandin Park, I want to estimate maybe 5 miles. So we're gonna ride a total of, I guess, 22. Then you know what, I'm exaggerating, I'm gonna say 25 miles. See how much fuel we burn. We're gonna check the gauge once we get there. So no fuimos, baby.
Okay, let me correct the distance, because I looked it up on Google and it gave me about roughly 27 miles from 79th Street all the way down to Sam's Cut, Elliot Key, Sandbar. And for the local boaters in Miami, make sure you guys keep the eyes open on the signs, because it depends what time of the year this area is idle zone or regular operating speed. right now we're cruising smooth, running south out of North Biscayne Bay on the Western Channel. And our speed is about 33 miles an hour at 4,000 RPM. Even though that the Island Hopper number 2 gives us a 3 miles per gallon, we're still running at a conservative speed.
And there it is, guys, La Islita. That's to most of the locals here, but it's also known as Miami Herald Island. And that's the one that it was closed, and I guess now it's open back up. That's a good thing. And they closed it down because a lot of people were leaving trash behind. So I guess they're gonna give the local boaters another chance. Hopefully they keep it clean this time. And we're getting closer. We're getting closer to downtown Miami, baby. This is actually Midtown. Downtown's still down there with the bigger buildings. We're getting closer. We're getting closer, but not yet. Right now we're gonna run on Venetian Causeway, and who's that sexy lady right there? Big Mamas, you on the camera lens, girl. Again, trying to tan, and I'm trying to record the downtown Miami skyline. And right there we have Venetian Causeway. They don't have to open it for, they don't have to open it for me, because I could just squeeze with this big old yacht right under. Well, no problem, man. No problem. So today we're sightseeing beautiful downtown Miami, baby. Well, we haven't got there yet. I guess we're cruising. We are cruising Miami waters today. Cruising for our bruising the Miami waters. And here we have Port of Miami, baby. All the big yachts. Here's the actual area where they actually turn around and face east. And then once they load up, they also turn around and head out the cut. And then right there is, we're almost there. We're about 200 feet away from downtown Miami, baby, and the skyline. And there it is, the Miami Arena right there.
And a lot of viewers are really enjoying the bird's eye view of things, so I'm gonna put it back on every chance I get.
So we're getting close, we're getting close. And there's downtown, and there's that beautiful bridge that at night it turns purple or bluish, whatever color you want to call it, right there, that we're gonna go right under. Look at that, beautiful, baby. And there you have beautiful Bayside. Bayside, Miami right there, baby. Look at that. Beautiful. And there it is. I guess I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna call it a sky wheel. Another thing to add to the bucket list. And I'm here in Miami, and I've never actually been on it. So maybe one day, I don't know. I guess too many things to do here. And one of them is to be on the water. So right there. Oh, look at that building. It has graffiti everywhere. I didn't even know it was allowed. I mean, as long as it looks kind of like New Yorkish, I guess. I wonder if that's an abandoned building or they just allowed to do that there. I don't know. I guess it's a Miami thing. And there it is, the Hard Rock, baby. Hard Rock. And then you got Bayside Marketplace. And then you got New Margaritaville. Haven't been there either.
I have a question for you guys. Would you like me to go visit these places and make a video and show you what they have inside and amenities they can provide and show you what type of food they have too? Let me know in the comments if you want me to visit and take you guys along for the ride. And now we're gonna get another bird's eye view of downtown Miami and the Brickell area. And you know who's going to take advantage of this beautiful Miami skyline? Yep, you know who it is.
That's the thing. I thought it was funny.
Ahí, cruzada ahí. Hay una foto ahí espectacular. ¿Lo viste el video, pero?
And here is where they do the fireworks show in front of Bayside. This is the big Bay area. I haven't been here in a while because the last time I was here, somebody ran into me. And there's so many boats here, and it's so late at night, and it's not, I don't know. I didn't have a good time, so I decided not to come back. I think last time I saw the fireworks were at Hialeah, because there's like 3 locations. So you kind of stay there for 4th of July. Hey guys, check out this building. They kind of made a unique design to it. It looks like a piece is missing. And it's pretty tall too. It looks pretty cool. I don't know the name of that building, but it looks nice. stadium where they used to have the boat races. And before, you used to be able to go fast. Not anymore. Now it's all idle. So a lot of sailboats been parking in there. And there's a little island behind Rustic Pelican. I've been there before. And there's a marine stadium right there. That's what made the Soft Flow Boat Show. And then there we have where is it? Right there, Rustic Pelican, baby. Rustic Pelican. You wanna eat some pelicans instead of cats? You can eat there. And I'm just joking. People might take things the wrong way. So there it is. Marine Stadium, baby. Rickenbacker Marina. There's too much advertising for people here. What's going on? I'm just giving you guys some information. Right there, little island, man. The little island. She's peacing out. Peace out. All right, now we just passed downtown Miami. Now straight shot to Elliot Key. Should be about 17, 18 miles. Run. What?
Where is the zoo? Something's there, no?
What?
What is there?
What?
The zoo? No.
Aquarium. Miami Aquarium.
Oh, something. I knew something.
Talking about the zoo's right there. Miami Aquarium. So now it's a straight shot. And here we go. We got our water today. I just got water in my eye. Alright, so we're gonna ride. So far as we have spent almost an hour cruising down here. Because of the idle zone, plus we're doing video too. If not, it would have taken a little less. But it's more or less an hour to 40 minutes.
Right now we're leaving downtown Miami behind. But what do you guys think about the little Miami tour from 79th Street to Rickenbacker Causeway? What was your favorite part or location? Mine's, I have to say, the tall buildings of downtown Miami. And while I was editing the video, I noticed I made a mistake. While I was in front of the port of Miami, I said yachts when I meant to say the cruise ships. And I made that mistake because while I was talking, I was actually looking at the yachts parked across from the port. But now we're cruising through smooth waters of Biscayne Bay heading towards Elliot Key. And the video stops, but the adventure and the fun continues in part 2.
Explain to me what is the theme of today.
So make sure your notifications are turned on because you don't want to miss part 2 of all of us having fun in the sun at Elliot Key. Stand by.